Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and I'm here today to do a flip through of my project that I did as a design team member for LineDotArrow. The name of the kit is called Eclectic Grunge, and it's just now gone on sale in her shop, and that's at etsy.com/shop/line.arrow, all one word. Okay, so the kit is really cool, and I really had a lot of fun working with it. Normally I do a 2-video tutorial, and I ended up with a 3-video tutorial plus this flip through. So I had a good time. Hopefully you saw the 3 videos prior to today. One was 2 days ago, one was the day before yesterday, and one was yesterday. And if you missed those, you can just go back and catch them. Alright, so the first thing is that I already untied it. And you open it, and the first thing you see, you have a little bit of writing area and some nice ephemera. And then you flip it this way, and there's a beautiful image and a little bit more writing area. I try to put writing area in my flips. And here's a card. Never take the cards out during a flip through. They never go back. I didn't even think I took it out that far. And then here's some ephemera and a very pretty page. And there's just a teeny bit of writing space. And after this, you're going to see quite a bit of flips and flaps and stuff. So once you get through this area, then there's this area. And this tag comes out, and it opens up with some writing space inside. Then I got to looking at it, and I thought, ooh, wouldn't that be a nice place for a sweet little tuck? So I put that little tuck in there. Always save your scraps. That's what I made that out of. And then here's a nice little tag. There's 3 postcards in here. I'm just going to pull out one, but there's 3 in there. There's this large hidden pocket. When you take this giant writing card out, then you can't see that there's a pocket at all. I don't know why I take the card out because I can't find the pocket to put it back in. There we go. Okay, so then that closes back up like that. Then this flips down, and right here is a nice notebook with coffee dyed paper inside. And this is a manila folder ephemera that comes with the kit, held on by a belly band. Then when you go down here, if I turn it this way, you can see this really cool horse picture. This is very eclectic, and it is grungy, and I did grungy it up a little bit more with some vintage photo. So then it opens like this, and then there's a tag in here, which I'm not going to take out, but it has the horse picture on it, and it has this little ticket here, or little piece of ephemera here. Then you have a stacked pocket here that's completely full of awesome tags that come with the kit. And I didn't put string in them yet. I should have done that before I did the flip through, but I forgot. There were so many things, I just forgot the little strings there. And then this is a trifold. And I believe that's all my flips and flaps for this project. This is like I said, this is a 3-hour project. Once you add in your prep time of picking your pages and stuff, then I would say it's probably double that. But you can watch the 3-hour tutorial and end up with one of these. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.